Hello everyone. So we are done with the many things related to OOP, okay, constructor, static variable, instance variable, and all that things. So in our today's video, we will talk about inheritance, or you can say that we are starting inheritance from this video onwards. Obviously, first of all, some introduction about inheritance. So creating a basic definition actually, creating a new class from already existing class, then it is called as inheritance. So when I say existing class, it means it can call as superclass, base class, parent class, etc. And when I say new class, we can call it as subclass, derived class, or child class. So obviously, what is the purpose of having inheritance? It allows subclasses to inherit the variables, methods, constructor of their superclass. So what are the advantages of inheritance? The main advantage is reusability. That is the first one. Then second, it is nothing but time taken for the application development will be less. And third one, it is repetition or redundancy of the code can be reduced. So I will write one simple example like how you can implement inheritance in Python. Class, and name of that class is 1. Okay, and it has a demo 1 as a one method, and we have one print message, you are inside parent class. Okay, and once we are done with the class 1, this will be our base class, super class, or parent class, whatever you want to say. Then to write derived class, you have to write class, and suppose name is given 2, and inside the bracket, round bracket, you have to write the name of the super class or parent class from where you are deriving it. So I am written 1. Okay, then define demo 2 and self, and one message, print you are inside child class. Okay, and then obviously just like your Java only or C++, we have to create object using derived class name only. So I will write for example obj as an object name equal to our derived class name is what, 2, and bracket. And after creating object of derived class, we will call demo 1 method and demo 2 method. So we will write obj dot demo 1, and obviously no parameter, and obj dot demo 2, and again no parameter, control S, okay, F5. You are inside parent class, and then you are inside what, child class. So this indicates we have created object, and this indicates we have called demo 1 but using the object of derived class, and this is nothing but we have called demo 2 using the obj, that is object of derived class. This is, I think, very simple example. In my next video we will check about different types of inheritance with its example also. Thank you everyone.